Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your dream house in Berry Avenue. If you want to live in the perfect dream house in Berry Avenue, whether you are looking for a luxurious mansion, a cozy cottage, or a modern penthouse, this tutorial will help you how you can get your dream house step by step. So to start, you can just open the Berry Avenue and then tap on this arrow and click on house. And here you can just choose the type of house that you want, houses or apartments. I'm going to just go with houses. Here you can select the locations that you want. For example, I'm going to go with here. You can tap on the map and then you can find the this one for sale sign, and in here you can just go get close to this to the sign and tap on claim. Now you can just select the models or the style of your house, your dream house. Choose the one that you like the best, of course, or that show you exactly your dream house. For example, I'm going to just go. Okay, I'm going to use this ones right here. You can click on the house and then you can just tap on yes. Now just like that, you'll get the dream house that you like. You can explore the house by going in. You can click on it. Okay, so I'm already inside the house. Now you can just explore your dream house and you can also customize it to how you like it. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can get your dream house in Berry Avenue. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on thanks. Bye.